Stevenson nghanol y cae. Chwilio am Taylor ar ei frest am bwysig am Wallach os mlaen i Buckley chwilio am yr ergyd ond hwnna'n bas yn ôl medda'r dyfarnwr mae'n gicrydd ac Aberystwyth a Prestatyn di cymryd o'n sydyn yma Prestatyn gael dal yn cysgu Hobson ar ergyd o bell am y Hobson wedi gwrth ymosod 4 munud ar y cloc am ddiffyn Prestatyn yn cysgu o'r gicrydd gath ei gymryd yn sydyn bwrewyr Prestatyn ddim ar yr un trywydd ac Aberystwyth o un pen y cae'r llall chwechod o'r tymor i Hobson Prestatyn ddim Aberystwyth 1 i John Owen allan i'r cwrt Cosby yn stodlu hun heibio i Ross Weaver thyn ni'n ôl i Malcolm Melvin ar ergyd oedd ar y llinell yn wych gan Fairhurst oedd hi'n nythu i gornel ychydig hwyd can Rhys Fairhurst yn napu Malcolm Melvin sgorau ail gol o'r tymor Hobson o'r bel disgyn i Ryan Wade arbediad wych gan Carl Jones yn adu ail i Aberystwyth Irvin gyn o'n gorchol chwilio am Macaulay Taylor Wallacott arbeniad yn disgyn i Ben Maher i Buckley mae'n dod cyffyrddiad cyntaf da i Bay Walker ôl i Buckley heibio'r postins honno di fod yn gol wych gan Prestatyn Allen sgwar mae Walker Allen yn parhau'r ediad Walker groesio ddim tuag at Hobson ddim yn cam sefyll y tro mae'r beniad o'n fflachio heibio'r postyn pella Melvin ymlaen yn disgyn i Joe Phillips Fairhurst ar draws a mae Phillips yn mae'n dyn cic o'r smotin oedd i weld o fama o Phillips di deifio 8 munud o'r 90 yn weddill Walker yn erbyn Carl Jones Walker ar arbediad yn un o didog gan Carl Jones yn aml da ni gweld Declan Walker yn methu'r smotin A massive result at this stage of the season for you this evening.
Yeah, we knew obviously what we had to do to come up here. Really pleasing getting a clean sheet again, second on the bounce, and you know it wasn't pretty, but we done enough, and it's exactly what we set out to do. To be fair.
Obviously, you've gone further ahead of Carmarthen now. You play tomorrow. No doubt you'll be at that game, local for yourself.
Yeah.
And you could be safe tomorrow, depending on how they get on.
Yeah, again, you know, to be fair, you know, Neil's done a great job the last 5 or 6 weeks with them, and credit to them. But we've said from the off, it's always in our hands. You know, that hasn't changed. Again, we've got, you know, another 2 tough games to go, including Carmarthen now, and you know, we're not even thinking about the cup at the moment. We get an extra point. That's all we need. Or the next 2 games, and like you said, we're mathematically safe then.
You played lovely football there tonight, but couldn't capitalise in their box.
Yeah, unfortunately, it was a tale of 2 boxes. They've obviously got their goal, and we never converted any of the chances. And then they've had a dubious penalty. But again, it's tough for the refs at this standard. But again, really unlucky today.
Obviously, they scored early on, 4th minute. What was your view on that? Had you taken a free kick?
It's a little bit of confusion. We shouldn't get done on that 3v1 at the back, but you know, my lad's saying he's not took the free kick, but you know, these things happen. So you want all our young lads to play quick, sharp, as you've seen some of the football we've played today. But again, I can't be more happier with the young lads, and they were fantastic again for me today. But we keep searching for that 3 points.